Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing my face, my name is Atinuke. So today I'll be sharing with you how I achieved this lovely turban DIY wig. I used 2.5 pack of expression braiding hair. I used 1.5 pack of deep blue, and I used 1 pack of color 1. So you can see what I did from the beginning. I cut the hair into 2 because I want a very long length. So I cut the expression braiding hair into 2. Then after that, I pick the hair out, brush it. Now I'm going to roll the hair on this straw. This is a very flexible straw. If you want to get your own straw, make sure you buy a very strong one. I really tried my best in coiling this on this straw. I mean in wrapping the hair on the straw, because the straw is very soft. So I achieved total 30 pieces of hair. I mean the 2 pack I use it in achieving 30 strands of this coiling hair, and the half pack, you are going to see what I use the half pack for. Just keep on watching. You can see what I'm doing now. I'm just separating the coils. After the hair is dry, I dip the hair into hot water. I allow it to dry. Then I'm separating the coil because we want a very kinky effect, not coily effect. So after I unravel the hair, I'm going to use my hand to separate the coil so that it's going to look like an afro hair. So the half pack, this is what I use the remaining half pack to achieve. I'm going to twist the hair a little bit. After I'm done twisting it, I'll start wrapping towards the body of the hair I twist. Do you grab that? If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate it so much. And guys, please do not forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that I can be notified anytime I upload a new video. You can see what I'm showing you at this video. I'm using my thumb and to form the butterfly effect. That is what I'm doing. Then I'm just wrapping it down. From the beginning of the video, I told you I achieved 30 strands of these coils. I make sure 1 strand of the coil is going to go for 1 butterfly lock. I'll share the hair into 2 because this hair is long, so I'll have to share 1 strand of coils. I'll share it into 2. I achieved 30 strands of butterfly lock. Yes, 30 strand, and I use all the 30 strands to achieve this hairstyle because this is a very big size of butterfly lock I achieved, not a tiny one. So I don't want it to be too much. I don't want it to be too obvious so that they won't know it's a fake DIY turban wig. Or will I say fake? Or I don't know how to put that. So now you can see what I did. I wrapped the hair back to the top. Then after that, I use my hand, both hands, to wrap it, to lock it in very. draw a line. It's not really necessary, but I just want to do that so that it's going to guide me on what I'm going to do. So when I'm doing this, you can see the first method I use a crocheting method. I want to allow you guys to see that you can actually crochet this. You can crochet it. Then after that, I'm going to be using a sewing method. I'm going to sew it down. I won't crochet it anymore. You can see. Then I'll show you one more time again to see that you can crochet this DIY butterfly locks and it won't unravel. When doing it, you have to be careful. Now I'm doing the sewing method. Can you see? I'm sewing it. I'm going to be sewing it. You can see the way I'm sewing this method, as in, how will I put it? Let me try to explain this part. When you finish sewing one butterfly lock, you are going to take the needle and thread under the wig cap, not on top, under. And be careful, do not pick the turban cap itself. You have to pass the needle and thread under the wig cap. Can you see the way I'm doing it? Then you put on your lock, your butterfly lock, your butterfly lock, then you sew it down. Then